what's up, everybody? This is Lisa here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson, reminding you about this Saturday, August 29th, joining us for our open house. We are open. Welcome home. Construction is done event. Come out and join us. We have those 100-foot flagpoles put up, and we have CVMA 23-1 raising the American flag. We have our kick-ass hog chapter raising the Texas flag. We have the mayor of Corinth coming out. We have the Corinth Police Department. We have the fire department. We have everybody coming out. All we need is you. Join us. We have live music going on afterwards. It all starts at 11 o'clock. Please come out and join us. Bring your friends. This is one epic event here at American Eagle Harley-Davidson. Come and enjoy the excitement. We'll see you. It all starts at 11 o'clock.